What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be discussing exactly how you can make money on TikTok as a teenager or at any age at all. So if that interests you, please stick around to the end of the video, because at the end of the video I'm going to be giving you some of my special secret sauce which I use to take all of my TikTok followers and move them over to my Instagram account and also make money from both TikTok and Instagram. So I'm going to be giving you my exact strategy that I use to do this, so stick around to the end. Right, so within TikTok we have three main ways that we can make money. We have the TikTok Creator Fund, we have paid advertising, and number three is we have a little secret that not many people are doing right now, and it's selling TikTok accounts. That's been happening for ages on Instagram, but now it's starting to happen more and more on TikTok as more and more brands want to have a presence on the platform. So if any of that interests you, stick around to the end and let's get straight to it. So number one is the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, you can make anywhere between 2 and 4 cents per 1,000 views. What that is basically TikTok has a fund where it just pays its creators for the amount of views that they get. Wow! In comparison to YouTube, this is very, very low, but is a way for you to make money. So if you're enjoying creating content for TikTok, then the TikTok Creator Fund is just a way for you to make a bit of money doing something that you enjoy. Don't get me wrong, definitely a way that you can make some serious cash if you're pulling in some really high views. It's rumored that David Dobrik makes anywhere between $100,000 and $200,000 on TikTok using the Creator Fund, which is pretty incredible. There's also rumored to be a way that you can increase the amount of money you make per 1,000 views, which is known as your CPM. And this is by targeting an audience that is older. So an audience that's older than 30 is going to get you a higher CPM than an audience than, let's say, is 15 years old. So if you want to increase your CPM, maybe you need to start a new TikTok account, or you just need to start targeting your content to these people. Now, an easy way to do this would be picking up relevant news articles or daily news and putting your own commentary behind it. Financial news and things like that. If that sort of thing interests you, definitely consider creating content that's geared towards the older generation. The second way that we can make money on TikTok is by using paid advertisements. Now, this is one of the most lucrative ways, and even at around 50,000 followers, you can easily make between $50 and $100 per paid advertisement. And you could be posting a paid advertisement every day. So that's already $100 a day just from TikTok. And that's not even including the TikTok Creator Fund. So the way that you can get paid advertisements on TikTok is by contacting brands on platforms like Instagram or on YouTube or directly on their email, and basically offering your services, showing them that you have a certain amount of followers.
Look at all those chickens!
And then saying what you could do. Maybe they could send you their product and you can make a viral video around their product. And this is super easy to do and something that a lot of brands would love. Once you found a brand to partner with, all you have to do is get their product, and then you have to go on your For You page, find trending content and figure out a creative way that you can promote their product using these trending videos. And it's very easy. All you need to do is just come up with something creative to put a little twist on these already trending videos, and then on TikTok they're going to be going viral, or they're going to be getting you a lot of views and a lot more traction than they would have been getting from similar content on Instagram. So that's definitely a very easy way that you can start generating hundreds of dollars per day just with brand advertisements on your TikTok page. So the third way you can make money using TikTok is by selling accounts. Now, as we've talked about in loads of my videos, it's so easy to build TikTok accounts right now. You can watch these videos here and they're going to tell you exactly how you can build your TikTok from scratch. Once you have over 100,000 followers, you can sell these accounts for anywhere between a couple of $100s and a couple of $1,000s. Brands are wanting to break into the TikTok market and they want to have a large follower base already to get started. Now, this has been happening for a long time on Instagram, and now it's catching on TikTok, and it's actually a really easy way that you can make quite a substantial amount of money. All you have to do is start building accounts in different niches, and then you can list them on websites like FameSwap, where you can sell them for a couple of $100 or a couple of $1,000. So we're nearing the end of the video, and now it's time for the best part, which is my little bit of secret sauce, which I promised you at the start of the video. And it's how I get people to come from TikTok, go over to my Instagram accounts. Now, it's something that I've been doing recently, and it's been working so well. My exact strategy for what I did was I created a video on my TikTok account called What Dog You Are Based on Your Name. I used random names for my first video, and at the end of the first video I basically left a call to action saying, if you want me to use your name in my next video, all you have to do is head over to my Instagram, press the follow button and send me a DM with your name. Hundreds of people from each video went over to my Instagram, they followed me, and then they sent me a DM with their name. And then what I did was I just kept recycling the content. I took the names from the DMs and I made a new video, What Dog You Are Based on Your Name, using different images images and different videos that I found of dogs using these names, and then at the end of every video I just said, if you want to be featured in my next video, then head over to my Instagram. This is a super easy way you can get people from your TikTok over to your Instagram. So all you have to do is come up with a fun, creative way like I did to entice your followers to move over, and they really will because they already follow you, so why not follow you on a different platform? So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you got a little bit of value from it. And if you did, please consider smashing that subscribe button down there, and I'll see you in the next one.